Hello, very good morning. Thank you for listening to my seminar video. So, in this video, I am going to talk about a powerful design tool that quickly become an industry standard for user interface and user experience design, UI UX design, that is called Figma. So, I will be talking in this seminar video about Figma design. So let's start with a quick overview. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that is primarily used for designing, prototyping, and team collaboration. So what is design? Designing means you are basically for building anything, for producing anything, you need to have a design. Based on that design only, you will be according to this how it is measured, all the measurements in that, how it looks when we see. According to the visual representation, we will be designing a website. So designing is important, and prototyping means how the flow from one page to another page, how it is going, from which page which will be going, and when one button is clicked, or when we click on a picture where it is going to going for next page, what is going to happen in that page. That is prototyping. And team collaboration means you can work when you are working on a big website, you instead of doing alone, you can work as a team, and you can collaborate in that. Unlike traditional designing tools, Figma works entirely in the browser, which makes it very accessible. It also has desktop applications for both Mac and Windows. Figma standout feature is its collaborative nature. It will allow developers to work in the same file in the real time, just like Google Documents. So why Figma designing? You might be thinking, why we are using Figma over other designing tools? Besides its collaborative features, Figma is a all-in-one tool. You can design interfaces, you can build interactive prototypes, and you can even share them with stakeholders without needing to switch between different softwares. And this makes it ideal for team and solo designers alike. So these are the benefits of Figma, all-in-one software. It can design, prototype, and you can do team collaboration. It's a component-based design. You can create reusable elements for consistency. You can invite others to view or comment on your work, and clients can see the latest versions immediately. Understanding Figma design interface. Now let us familiarize ourselves with Figma interface. Open Figma, and you will see a toolbars, layers, panels, prototypes, prototype panels, canvas, and assets panels. In the toolbar, there will be contained tools for creating shapes, frames, text, and more. Layer panels will have displayed the hierarchy of all elements within the document. Then there will be properties panel. Properties panel will show the properties of the selected object, like color, size, and position. Then there will be canvas, the workspace where designs are created. And there will be assets panel. It holds the components and resources for quick access. So there will be assets panel also. So Figma's framers are like artboards in other design tools. They represent screens or sections of your website or app design. So basic tools and features of Figma that we will use in the Figma are frames are the foundation of your design, like shapes like rectangles, circles, and lines are building blocks. Shapes are the building blocks, rectangles, circles, they are the building blocks, and frames are the foundation of your design. Text tool, essential for adding typography to your designs. And pen tool is great for creating custom shapes and icons. Components and instance. Components are reusable elements. For example, if you are designing a website, you might make a button component. Every time you use it, Figma creates an instance, meaning it inherits the properties from the main component. For creating a button component, changing all the instances by updating the original. So there will be button components. There will be images, will be text. These are all are taken as components, and these components can be reused in the design, so it will maintain the consistency. And then let's talk about colors, how we manage colors in Figma. Figma allows you to create color styles which are reusable across your entire documentation. This is handy when you want to consistent color palette throughout your design. Like if your color styles, like define color palettes for easy updating, and the gradients will support the linear and radial gradients, giving you control over how colors will be blending. Like it will create a color style and apply it to multiple elements. Let's now talk about prototyping. So what is prototyping? This one, as I said earlier in the beginning of the video, prototyping is a feature that you can create interactive prototypes directly with Figma, allowing you to simulate user flows and it test ideas before actual development begins. So it will help you to how the user experience can be understood by using the prototypes, because when a user clicks on a web page component, like when you click on a button, how the web page is going to react, which page it is going to show, or how it is going to show something, or when you click on a button, or when you type some text or something, and what is happening. So you will get the experience, and you can, based on that, you can design, you can modify the design, and you can make the web development easy by making the designing confirmed before you start the web development. So that is, there will be in the prototype mode, you can click over and you can check the after delay. It will help you to simulate the user actions. So it's basically like we are experimenting before we actually make the production. So then there is team collaboration also. These are the things that is need to know, basic things that we need to know in the Figma designing. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.